Good morning, student. We complete lesson 5 editing text in MS Word 2007. Okay, in that we learn how to start Microsoft Word, how to enter the text in the document, how to select and editing the text, selecting the text using mouse, inserting the text, moving the text, copying the text, deleting the text using undo and redo commands, then checking spelling and grammar and using thesaurus. These all points we cover in this chapter. So today's practical is based on this chapter, that is lesson number 5. So in this practical you have to write the paragraph on page number 46. Okay, on page number 46 you have to write that paragraph in Microsoft Word. After that, you have to apply the following changes after the paragraph written. Okay, first you have to write this paragraph in a white box. So I am already write that paragraph here. Success is not something that you run into by accident. It takes preparation and character. Everyone like to win, but how many willing to put in the efforts and time to win? It takes sacrifice and self discipline. There is not substitute for hard work. Hard work is the key to success. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, you have to write this paragraph. After that, what questions are there, follow that questions. First is type the above paragraph and save the document as a hard work using the office button and save option. So I am already writing this paragraph, completed this paragraph. Now I am saving with the name of hard work. So go to office button, click on save option. You have to save the name as a hard work. So I am giving it here name hard work. Okay, and I'm saving this Word document on a desktop. Now click on save. Okay, this is the first step. Second question, what? Close the document by clicking on office button and close option. So here is office button and close option is there. Okay, now next thing, press Ctrl O key combination to open the document hard work. So I am pressing Ctrl O key combination, and here see, when I press Ctrl O shortcut key, one pop-up window is open, that is open window. In that you have to find out where your document is. So my document on desktop, so I am click on desktop and hard work. So hard work, I am opening that document. Next thing, in a first line, place the cursor before C of success and insert C in the word. So here is red lines come, means there is some spelling mistake. So I have to insert C in that word. Okay, next thing, insert the word a lot of before the preparation. So find out the word preparation. It is the word preparation. So you have to write before that what a lot of. A lot of. Okay, next, insert the word are before willing and prepare before to win. So insert the word are before willing. So find out where is willing. Here is the willing. So you have to insert are before willing and prepare before to win. So to win is here. So you have to write to. So you have to write prepared word before the to win. Okay. Now, then remove the word time in the same sentence. So here is the word time. So I am removing this word Next thing, what is the next question? Delete the word sacrifice and type determination. So here is the word sacrifice and I am selecting this word. Okay, press delete button and what I have to write? Determination. Okay, and delete T in the word not. So here is not. So I have to delete T in the not. Then save your document again using Ctrl S key combination. With the help of Ctrl S, I am pressing what key? Ctrl S key to save the document. Next thing, I always tell you whenever you write the document or anything, you have to format your document. So this is the part of your practical, every practical to format. Why we format the document? Because our document look good, attractive, innovative or visible. That's why we format the document. So how to format a document? For that, select all the document, select this font space. I am taking as a Bookman old style. Then I am increasing its size as a 20, changing its color. See, your document look good. Now next thing, I am giving the title as a hard word. Okay, hard work. And how to add to center? So cursor before the word, and here in the home tab there is a paragraph group. There are some alignment here. So in that, by default your text having left alignment, this is called center, this is right alignment, and this is justify alignment. So for the heading I am giving the center alignment. Then select that heading and make it underline and italic. Okay, you can change the color of your heading also. Okay, now again press Ctrl S key combination to save your document and then office button to exit the word. So all of you know this is your office button and here is the option exit word. Okay, so in this way you have to complete your practical with the help of Microsoft Word application. You have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Thank you.